We some are.
Hey man, what's up? Not too much.
Sneezed in the face.
When sneezing, it's best to have a tissue. This way you can sneeze into the tissue. But if you don't have that, sneeze into your elbow. After that, say excuse me. The other person should say bless you.
Hey man. Hey man, what's up? Just a second. What's up?
Oh man, bless you.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
No, it's okay, dude.
I'll see you, man.
Yeah, alright.
Success.